All the small boys. That's making God that you don't know what to post or not to post. Everyone is your mate.
Wait. You don't know why I don't even follow you.
You know, I cannot do without you and my word. The next word I'll teach you.
Sorry, how far? I don't want to follow you.
Maybe this $20 guy, he has been after me since.
Who the hell is this goat?
Give me your number, my come
Baby.
all these sentences are not there.
I don't even know him.
Babe, see.
Hey, Dave, I'm doing. What's the meaning of all this?
What is the problem? Why are you disturbing my baby?
Guy, I don't understand what you dey talk for. Now because of this thing.
Yeah,
See, more come on. In fact, if they burn you well,
To be sure you stop your major.
come clean am. You go come know me today.
where is his family?
To be sure you stop your major.
Now that will be your own. Now this one be my own.
That's my baby.
See, I go come show you say no be about camel and no be about brooches. I will clean your house and I go deal with you today. Go see.
All this small boy, baby. I trust you, baby.
Wrong!
They come.
These guys, I mean, they need to be arrested and
To hell with him.
taken to somewhere.
See, that's why I didn't even see the club. Guy, how far? What is doing now?
What happened? What did you?
How far? No be that my babe. No babe, my babe that don't start to the shit on me again. My babe go the request for doggy style all the time. I mean, I no fit do am.
That girl
You
like
know the-
doggy. She like doggy. Even yesterday night, I saw so doggy. Just
Guys, say that
no, nothing.
wait. Now my babe she dey talk. No, wait. When she dey talk,
Guys,
she talk.
I know. Which time is it?
Oh God.
Thanks for watching that amazing content. If you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button and do what? Click on your notification bell. Yes.
Subscribe
Please.
and that red button, that
Please.
point button.
Please.
From now on.
Why you dey vex them?
I don't know. How would they talk to now like that? I don't know. Say now.
Thanks so much, guys. We love you.